Here are some amazing facts about the green bee-eater. Scientific name: the green bee-eater's scientific name is Merops orientalis. Family: they belong to the family Meropidae, which includes bee-eaters. Distribution: green bee-eaters are commonly found across Africa, the Middle East, and the Indian subcontinent. Size: they are small birds, about 9 inches 23 centimeters in length, including their elongated central tail feathers. Weight: these birds typically weigh between 15 to 20 grams. Color: as their name suggests, green bee-eaters are primarily bright green in color. Tail feathers: they have distinctive elongated central tail feathers that are often tipped with black. Diet: as insectivores, they primarily eat bees, wasps, and other flying insects. Hunting style: they catch their prey in mid-air using their quick, agile flight. Bee removal technique: before eating a bee, they remove the stinger by repeatedly hitting the insect against a hard surface. Habitat: green bee-eaters thrive in open woodlands, grasslands, and scrublands. Social behavior: they are highly social and are often seen in small groups or pairs. Roosting: at night, they often roost in communal groups on tree branches. Vocalization: they have a distinctive, high-pitched trill or chirp call. Nesting: they nest in burrows dug into sandy banks or flat ground. Burrow depth: their burrows can be up to 3 to 5 feet 1 to 1.5 meters long. Breeding season: their breeding season varies by region but typically occurs during the dry season. Clutch size: females lay 4 to 7 eggs per clutch. Eggs: the eggs are white and glossy. Incubation: both parents share the responsibility of incubating the eggs. Chick development: chicks are born altricial, meaning they are blind and helpless at birth. Parental care: both parents feed and care for the chicks until they fledge. Fledging time: the chicks fledge after about 3 to 4 weeks. Lifespan: in the wild, green bee-eaters can live up to 12 years. Migration: some populations are migratory, while others are resident. Territoriality: they can be territorial, especially during the breeding season. Mating ritual: males often perform aerial displays and present food to females during courtship. Sexual dimorphism: males and females look similar, but males typically have longer tail feathers. Molting: green bee-eaters undergo molting, where they replace their feathers, usually after the breeding season. Sunbathing: they are often seen sunbathing with wings spread wide. Dust bathing: they also take dust baths to keep their feathers clean and free from parasites. Predators: their main predators include birds of prey, snakes, and larger mammals. Camouflage: their green plumage provides excellent camouflage in their natural habitats. Flight speed: they are fast flyers, capable of quick, darting movements. Agility: their agility in the air is crucial for catching insects on the wing. Migration patterns: migratory populations travel long distances between breeding and wintering grounds. Species variants: there are several subspecies of the green bee-eater, each adapted to local environments. Longevity: they have relatively long lifespans for small birds, sometimes reaching over a decade in the wild. Cultural significance: in some cultures, the green bee-eater is considered a symbol of beauty and grace. Communication: they use a variety of calls and postures to communicate with each other. Insect control: by feeding on insects, green bee-eaters help control pest populations. Eyesight: they have excellent eyesight, which aids in spotting and catching prey. Resting posture: when perched, they often sit upright, showing off their vibrant plumage. Seasonal movements: some populations move to different elevations depending on the season. Feather maintenance, they frequently preen their feathers to maintain their condition. Altruism, occasionally, non-breeding adults help raise the chicks of related pairs. Nocturnal roosting, they prefer to roost in groups at night for protection. Adaptability, green bee-eaters are highly adaptable to various habitats, including human-altered landscapes. Behavioral studies, they are popular subjects for studying avian behavior due to their social nature. Vocal learning, young birds learn their calls from adults, a process similar to how human infants learn language. Tail streamers, the elongated tail streamers in males may play a role in attracting mates. Climate resilience, they are resilient to climate variations,